Hello friend, my name is Rafi Yaku from Graphics and Multimedia. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a modern restaurant business card in CorelDRAW. If you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos in CorelDRAW. Let's get into tutorial stuff. Make page size of 3.75 by 2.25. And make sure it's select inches and your color should be CMYK and your video orientation should be landscape. Once you are done, then you start to design. So I'm going to drag this to one side. Next, I'll go to my toolbar and double click my rectangle to make a page border. So I'm going to make a page border. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to my toolbar again and select my circle. So at this point here, I'll make a perfect circle. Good. Then I'll press P to centralize the circle so I can resize the circle. Then I'll place with my right click. And I can select everything and resize color. And I can place it here. I can make another perfect circle. So this point here, I'm going to resize it. I'm going to decide this. So I can do that. Now I'm going to make another circle. This one's going to be here. Okay. So I can make use of my zoom tool now. I'll click on this plus icon. Also, I'll click on this icon, this circle here. I'll come to my circle width from this point here. I will select it. Then I'll come down below here. All right, click on this color to apply stroke color. Then I'll select it. My red circle, I will fill it with white. Then I will right click on this icon to remove the stroke. Next, I will apply color to the background. So I will select my eye color dropper. I'll pick this color. I'll drop it. Now I'll select this. I'll select this. Then I will select my eye color dropper. I'll fill it with this color. Now apply stroke color and increase my stroke width to the 8. Now apply stroke color. Right click on the white, apply stroke. Then for this one also, I'll apply it as my stroke width. Then I'll apply stroke color to the white as well. Next, I will bring out all my picture. I will click on this import icon or press Ctrl I on your keyboard. I'll make use of this burger picture. Now press Ctrl key on my keyboard and select my second picture. This. Now click on import. Now CorelDRAW. And the chicken picture. Now I will click on the burger picture. I'll go to objects. Then I will look for backlit, place inside the frame. Then this icon here, I will edit backlit. Now click on my picture now and place it inside. I'll resize the picture. Then when I'm done, I click on this icon here. I can click on chicken picture now. The same procedure. Objects, backlit, place inside this frame. Here we go. So what I'm going to do next here is to zoom out, zoom in the entire shape. Okay, so I will make use of my rectangle here. At the top here, I will zoom this rectangle. Then from the menu bar here, I will type 100%. And press enter. Then I'll come down here also. I will type 100% and press enter. Then I'll fill the color with orange. I will right click on this to remove the stroke. I will select my background color now. Then I will choose my interactive fill. And I will click on copy color fill. This approach, fill my background properties. Next thing I will click on this shape here. Then I will select my transparent tool. And I'll control it. Sorry. Set. I'll select all my picture here. Then I'll group them. Lastly, I'll select this. And all this information here, copy them. Group everything, and I'll move it. I'll drop it down here. Here we go. Then I will select this icon. Drag it. Click, order, on the page, launch. press Shift key and click on Share and press C to align the icon. So finally, I'm done with my modern restaurant business card in CorelDRAW. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe button, click like on the video. If you have any question as far as the tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.